This is Gage Wilkins. I'm going to go over Lab 2 for computer programming. So I've got a void loop set up with two different statements, one for each of these buttons here. And when I push those buttons, it'll perform a different function for these LEDs, like a different flashing loop variation. And then the wiring setup for those buttons is just one's off of the 3 volt there and one's off the 5 volt, both those green wires. And then you got the resistor back onto the negative. Then they both have their own input wire here for the digital read, which is going to be reading to see whether the button is on high or low, on or off, whether it's being pushed or not pushed. And when those are on or off, being pushed or not pushed, and it's reading high or low, it's going to trigger those functions I was talking about on these lights, depending on which one I push. I'll go and push those. This one has a slow startup, starting on 800 millisecond delay, and just speeding up really quickly. This one's a steady 250 delay, back and forth. And then back to the wiring for these LEDs. It's just we've got the blue one here and then the green one. They're both output with their respective pins coming out of them. The green one's 11. Nope, sorry, the green one's 10 and the blue one's 13. It's the pins are coming out of, so that's what the coding's gonna look like. And then they're coming back onto the negative through the resistors. And that's that for the breadboard circuit setup on this one.